It's another EVM twist clearly, and more reactions coming in and statements on this after the cops have taken statement of the relative of the newly elected member of parliament. Did he use a phone that was not one supposed to be taken in the counting centre? Was it in any way connected to unlocking the EVM? These are all deliberations and initial investigation that is being done. But there are immediate serious concerns that are being raised by the India bloc, for example, over the electoral process. I'm joined by MP Rajya Sabha Priyanka Chaturvedi on the phone line. Priyanka, good afternoon. Because right now, I don't think it defines if there has been a hacking. But why do you think, nevertheless, this is a serious concern that has been raised?
No, this is whatever is coming out is coming at the back of an investigation carried out by Mumbai police. And this was a FIR which was lodged at the behest of two independent candidates who said that this particular person who's very closely related to Ravindra Vaikar, was carrying a phone. Listen, we have 3 levels of security and no electronic equipments or mobile phones are allowed in that security area. The investigation clearly shows that that phone was the phone which was receiving the OTP for the EVM machines. So that raises concerns, and also must understand this is coming at the back of what? Here is Amol Kirtikar, our candidate, who has been declared a winner by 2,200 votes. And you have Mr. Vaikar asking for a recount. Even after the first recount, he's leading Mr. Amol Kirtikar. And suddenly, after 2 rounds of recounting, which was demanded by Mr. Vaikar, he has been declared a winner with 48 votes. So there are questions on the procedure. There are questions on how these votes were counted. Third, now this investigation has led to some very serious concerns with regards to transparency in the election. And the worst part is that we have the district suburban collector who is not cooperating with the investigation. Mumbai police has gone on record to say that the CCTV footage that is being demanded by the candidate, the losing candidate, is being, has been told that it will not be provided to him. Mumbai police is asking for it, it's not being provided. Who is doing this? And at whose behest?
Do you think that the Election Commission should right away come out and give a statement, clarification on this? Because what was this OTP? Why was it used? Why was the phone changed? Yes.
No. Before a clarification, the election of this particular constituency has to be put on a stay. Ravindra Vaikar cannot take oath till the time this investigation is not conducted, and till the time what we're demanding with regards to the CCTV footage, with regards to the multiple recounting that happened, which he was not authorized to do. Let me also tell you the returning officer was not, after declaring a candidate as a winner, is not authorized to do several rounds of recounting.
So you're asking this result in this constituency from where Ravindra Vaikar has won, which is Mumbai Northwest, needs to be immediately put on stay and have a re-election, is what you're saying?
I'm asking for putting it on stay, and investigation should be carried out. And if Election Commission fails to do its duty, we are going to challenge it in the court of law. Okay, this is Chandigarh mayor elections returning to haunt us again.
Okay, so there has that precedence, of course, coming to the fore. You could take legal recourse as well. Priyanka, but I do have a question here, because when the results were announced, most parties, whether it's BJP, Congress, DMK, accepted the results, because for the India bloc, there was also a rise in their tally. Now the whole hacking EVM has come back to the fore, because many will ask that when it suits the party, they accept it. When they don't suit the party, then they challenge it.
No, listen. One second. This is not about suiting or not suiting. We could have said happily that, okay, we have won 30 seats and we're very happy. But this is a clear case of corruption. A clear case of, arm twisting a result out of nothing at all. After having declared a candidate as a winner, he was declared as a loser. So whether it is, and again, I'm not saying this because out of the hat, I have concerns about the EVM. Mumbai police investigation is showing that. Should I totally disregard? It's exactly like how Dharmendra Pradhan continues to ignore the paper leak, despite economic offences wing of Bihar saying that they have arrested people. Are we supposed to turn a blind eye to every issue that concerns this nation?
No, absolutely.
And which undermines our democracy?
No, absolutely. When it comes to EVM, specifically in this development, every investigation and part of it needs to be done. Priyanka, thank you so much. I appreciate you joining us and taking all questions. They could take legal recourse, but what will happen right away? Because remember, the development as we speak is happening. Will it put and should it be put to stay that he cannot be right now taking over the constituency? And otherwise, what is going to be done in this case? What happened? What will unfold? We'll be tracking this big story coming in. It's a huge political showdown also that has erupted. All clarification must come in, because cannot tamper at least on such a crucial democratic process.